pretty sure you've seen those ASMR miniature cooking videos blowing up on TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube Shorts. The amount of views these videos are pulling in is actually insane, and a lot of you have been asking me to make a video about this. So I took the time to build a prompt that lets you create these videos from beginning to end without paying a single penny. This Instagram page called Minimal Mini Cooking gained over 46,000 followers just from posting miniature cooking content. And look at the views they're pulling. 6.4 million on one video, 14 million on another, and one is sitting at 8 million views. I'm about to show you exactly how to do that in this video using completely free AI tools. Let's get started. Now, for this video, we're going to be using Google Gemini. As you can see here, I already have Google Gemini opened. The first thing you're going to type is, "Give me 10 different food names." Once you type that into the chat, go ahead and hit send. Google Gemini will process the request, and after a few seconds, you should get an output that looks like this. As you can see, it gives us different food ideas from around the world. We have shakshuka, which is a North African and Middle Eastern dish. We also have ramen from Japan, tacos al pastor from Mexico, and several other food ideas. The next thing you need to do is come over to Google Docs, where I prepared a special prompt for these miniature cooking videos. As you can see here, I carefully created this prompt, and it's very detailed. Make sure you copy the entire prompt without missing any part, because every section is important for getting the right output. Once you've copied the prompt, come back to Google Gemini. Paste the full video prompt into the chat. Inside the prompt, you'll see a section labeled Food Item. For that section, all you need to do is choose one of the food ideas Gemini generated for us. For this example, I'm going to use this particular food idea, so I'll copy it, paste it into the Food Item section, and then hit send. Now we just have to wait while Google Gemini processes everything. This normally takes around 10 to 15 seconds for the prompt to be processed. After that, you'll see a message saying that your video is being generated. At this point, all we have to do is wait, because the complete video generation may take a few seconds or possibly around a minute. Google Gemini allows you to generate a limited number of short videos each day. With the account shown here, I can create around 4 videos per day, with each video being approximately 10 seconds long. So, by using Google Gemini, you may be able to produce several miniature cooking videos every day. And just like that, our first video is ready. As you can see, the final result looks extremely clean and satisfying. The miniature cooking environment, the hand movements, the food, and the small utensils all came together really well. But we're not going to stop here. We're going to repeat the same process using Google Flow so we can compare the output from both platforms. Now I'm going to head over to Google Flow. Once you open Google Flow, click on New Project. After clicking New Project, you should be welcomed by an interface that looks like this. Google Flow provides daily credits that you can use to generate videos. As you can see, I've already used around 30 of my 50 credits, so I still have approximately 20 credits left. These credits are available for free, which means you may be able to use them to create multiple short videos each day. Now I'm going to return to the miniature cooking prompt and copy the entire thing. Once I copy it, I'll come back to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, come down to the Settings tab. Make sure Video Mode is selected. For the aspect ratio, leave it at 9:16 because we're creating vertical content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. For the output, I'm going to select 1. For the model, OmniFlash is already selected, so I'll leave it there. Then I'll set the duration to 10 seconds. As you can see here, generating this video will use 15 credits. Now I'm going to paste the miniature cooking prompt into the chat. For the food item, I'm going to enter pizza. Once everything is ready, I'll hit send. Once I send the prompt, Google Flow will automatically start processing it. Now we just have to wait for the video to be generated. This process usually takes around 10 to 20 seconds because Google Flow is quite fast when generating videos with the OmniFlash model. So we'll just hold on for a moment while everything processes. The video took around 20 seconds to generate. Now let's preview it and see what the final output looks like. And just like that, our Google Flow video is ready. I think OmniFlash did an excellent job with this output. The miniature environment looks realistic, the movements are smooth, and the entire cooking process feels satisfying to watch. You can use either Google Gemini or Google Flow to create this style of miniature cooking content. Both platforms can produce clean results, so you can test them and decide which one works best for you. Now you can start creating your own videos, post them on your channel, and see how they perform. I'll see you in the next one.